Declining a job offer politely.
Hello. Thank you for calling me.
Hello. Did you get our job offer?
Yes, I got the email. Thank you.
Great. What is your answer?
First, thank you very much.
You are welcome. We like you a lot.
That means so much to me.
So, will you join our team?
I am sorry, but my answer is no.
Oh, I see. May I ask why?
I took another job offer.
I understand. That is okay.
The other job is near my home.
That is important for daily travel.
Yes, it is only 10 minutes away.
A short trip is very nice.
Your office is far from me.
I understand your choice.
I really liked your company.
Thank you for your kind words.
The interview was very good.
We enjoyed meeting you too.
I hope you understand.
Of course, family and time matter.
Thank you for being so kind.
Maybe we can work together later.
Yes, I would like that.
Can I keep your CV on file?
Yes, please. That is fine.
Good. We may call you in the future.
I would be happy to hear from you.
You are a strong candidate.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Do you know anyone for this job?
Yes, my friend is looking now.
Wonderful. Please share our email with her.
I will send it to her today.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. I am happy to help.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Same to you.
Good luck in your new job.
Thank you so much.
Keep in touch, please.
I will. Thank you again.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and take care.
Apologizing for damaging a borrowed item.
Hi, Lisa. Can we talk for a minute?
Hi, Tom. Sure. Is everything okay?
Not really. I have to tell you something.
Oh, what happened?
I lent you your camera last week.
Yes, my new camera. How was it?
I'm so sorry. I dropped it.
Oh no, is it broken?
Yes, the screen is cracked.
Oh, that is bad news.
I feel very sorry, Lisa.
How did it happen?
It slipped from my hand.
These things happen sometimes.
But it was your new camera.
Yes, I am a little sad.
I understand. I will fix it.
Can it be repaired?
Yes, I went to the shop.
What did they say?
A new screen costs $60.
Okay, that is not too much.
I will pay all of it.
Are you sure, Tom?
Yes, it is my mistake.
Thank you. That is very fair.
I already paid the shop.
Oh, you did it so fast.
I wanted to fix my mistake.
That is very kind of you. When can I get it back?
The shop said in 3 days. I will bring it to your home.
Thank you so much.
Again, I'm really sorry.
It's okay. You were honest.
I did not want to hide it.
I like that you told me.
A good friend is honest.
Yes, and you are a good friend.
Thank you for understanding.
Let us forget about it now.
Can I take you for coffee?
That would be nice.
My treat, of course.
Thank you, Tom.
Friday afternoon?
Friday is perfect.
Great. See you then.
See you, Tom. Take care.
Goodbye, Lisa.
Goodbye.
Requesting a menu with calorie info.
Good evening. Table for one, please.
Good evening, madam. This way, please.
Thank you. Here is fine.
Here is our menu.
Thank you. I have a question.
Of course. Please ask.
Do you show the calories?
Yes, we have a special menu for that.
Oh, wonderful. May I see it?
Here it is. Calories are on the right.
Great. This is very helpful.
Many people ask for this now.
I like to eat healthy.
That is a good habit.
What is a light meal here?
The grilled fish is light.
How many calories is that?
About 300 calories with salad.
That sounds perfect.
It has fish, salad, and lemon.
Any oil or butter?
Only a little olive oil.
Good. I will take that.
A great choice, madam.
What about soup first?
The vegetable soup is 120 calories.
Nice and light. 1 bowl, please.
Sure. And to drink?
Water is fine for me.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Would you like to see any dessert?
What is the lightest one?
Fruit salad. Only 90 calories.
Perfect. I will have that too.
Good. All light and fresh.
This menu makes it easy.
Yes, you can plan your meal.
Do you have sugar-free drinks?
Yes, we have green tea with no sugar.
Green tea, please. After the meal.
Of course, madam.
How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
No problem. I can wait.
I will bring your soup first.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal, madam.
I am sure I will.
Call me if you need anything.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Asking for a medical fitness certificate.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you for seeing me today.
Good morning. Please sit down. How can I help you?
I need a medical fitness certificate, please.
Okay. Can you tell me why you need it?
Yes, it is for my new job.
I see. Many companies ask for this now.
Yes, my new office wants it before I start.
When do you start your new job?
I start next Monday morning.
Congratulations. That is very good news.
Thank you very much, doctor.
First, I will ask some health questions.
Sure, please ask me anything.
Do you have any illness now?
No, I feel healthy these days.
Do you take any medicine daily?
No, I do not take any medicine.
Good. Any surgery in the past?
No, never. I am fine.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, I do not smoke or drink.
Very good. Now let me check your body.
Okay, what will you check first?
Your height and weight, please.
Sure. Should I stand here?
Yes, stand straight on the machine.
Done. How tall am I?
You are 175 centimeters tall.
And what is my weight?
You are 70 kilograms. That is healthy.
Good to hear that.
Now I will check your blood pressure.
Okay, please tell me if it is normal.
Your blood pressure is 120/80. Perfect.
Wonderful. What is next, doctor?
Now your eyes. Read the wall chart.
A, B, C, D, E.
Very good. Now the smaller line below.
F, G, H, I, J.
Excellent. Your eyes are very good.
And my hearing, doctor?
I will test both ears now. Can you hear this soft sound?
Yes, I can hear it clearly.
Great. Your hearing is also fine.
So, am I fully fit and healthy?
Yes, you are fit for work.
That is such a relief.
I will write your certificate now.
Thank you. How long does it take?
Only 5 minutes. Please wait.
Sure, I am not in a hurry.
Here is your fitness certificate.
Thank you. Is your signature on it?
Yes, my signature and the clinic stamp are on it.
My office needs the stamp and date.
Both are there. Please check.
Yes, everything is correct. How much is the fee?
The certificate is $20.
Can I pay by card at the desk?
Yes, the front desk takes cards.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Good luck at your new job.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye and stay healthy.
Goodbye, doctor.
Hiring a family photographer?
Good morning. I want to book a family photo shoot.
Good morning, madam. That is wonderful. Please sit.
Thank you. It is for my family of 4.
Lovely. Is it for a special day?
Yes, my parents' wedding anniversary.
How nice. Congratulations to them.
Thank you. We want nice photos together.
Of course. When do you want the shoot?
Maybe next Saturday if you are free.
Let me check. Yes, Saturday is free.
Great. Is morning or evening better?
Evening light is soft and beautiful.
Then evening is perfect for us.
Good choice. Where do you want the photos?
I am not sure. What do you suggest?
We can use the park or our studio.
What is nicer for a family?
The park has green trees and open sky.
That sounds beautiful. Let us use the park.
Perfect. How many people again?
4, me, my husband, and 2 children.
Lovely. How old are the children?
My son is 6 and my daughter is 9.
Wonderful. Children look sweet in photos.
Yes, they are very excited.
How long do you want the shoot?
Maybe about 1 hour.
1 hour is good for many photos.
How much does 1 hour cost?
1 hour is $150, madam.
What do I get for that price?
30 edited photos, all digital.
Can I get some printed photos too?
Yes, 10 prints for $30 more.
Okay, I will take the prints.
Good. So the total is $180.
That is fine for me.
Do you also want a photo album?
Maybe next time, not today.
No problem, madam.
When will the photos be ready?
1 week after the shoot.
How will you send them?
By email and also on a USB drive.
Wonderful. What should we wear?
Wear soft, matching colors.
Maybe white and light blue?
Perfect. That will look beautiful.
Should we bring anything else?
Just bring your smiles and be happy.
That is easy. Do I pay now?
Please pay $50 today to book the date.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Done. And the rest after the shoot?
Yes, pay the rest on Saturday.
Perfect. What time should we come?
Please come to the park gate at 5 p.m.
Great. We will be there on time.
Wonderful. I will bring all my cameras.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome, madam.
See you Saturday. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye, madam.
Goodbye.
Recovering a hacked account.
Hello? Is this account support?
Yes, ma'am. How can I help?
My account has been hacked.
Oh, no. Which platform?
My social media account.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yes, it happened this morning.
How did you notice the problem?
There were strange posts on my profile.
Were any messages sent from your account?
Yes, to many of my friends.
What kind of messages?
Suspicious links mostly.
Please warn your friends first.
Yes, I did that already.
Great. Very smart action.
Thank you. What is next?
Can you still log in?
No, the password has been changed.
Okay, let us reset it.
Sure. What do I do?
Click the Forgot password on the login page.
Okay, I am doing that now.
Did you receive any recovery email?
Let me check my inbox.
Also, check the spam folder.
Good idea. One moment.
Sure, take your time.
Yes, an email is here.
Perfect. Click the reset link.
The link is opening now.
Create a strong new password.
Any specific rules?
Yes, 8 characters minimum.
What else should I include?
Numbers and special characters.
Okay, I am creating one now.
Please avoid your name or birthday.
Good tip. New password set.
Great. Try logging in now.
Login successful.
Wonderful. Let us secure everything.
Sure. What is the next step?
Enable two-factor authentication.
How does that work?
A code is sent to your phone.
Every login attempt?
Yes, it's an extra security layer.
Great. I am setting it up now.
Also check active sessions.
What am I looking for?
Any unknown device or location.
Yes, there is one strange session.
Where is it from?
A different city and country.
Log it out immediately.
Done. I removed the session.
Perfect. Now check your recovery email.
Why check it now?
In case the hacker changed it.
Good point. I am checking it.
Also check the recovery phone number.
Sure, both are correct now.
Great. Delete the suspicious posts too.
Yes, I am deleting them now. Are there any linked apps to check?
Yes. Check third-party apps.
What should I do with them?
Remove any unfamiliar ones.
Okay, I'm cleaning that up.
Perfect. Very thorough process.
Yes, better safe than sorry. How did the hacker get in?
Maybe through a phishing email.
Could it be because I clicked a strange link?
Perhaps try to remember.
Oh yes, I clicked one last week actually.
That is likely the source.
I feel silly about it.
Do not worry. It happens to many people.
Thank you for the help.
My pleasure, ma'am.
Any final security tips?
Never share your passwords.
Not even with close friends?
Correct. Keep them private.
And should I use a different password for each account?
Yes, that is much safer.
Great advice. Thank you.
My pleasure. Stay safe online.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.